Happy Monday, open traders. I hope your Thanksgiving was spectacular, filled with joy and love. Please take a look at the Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you. Absolutely no software on this chart. Simply critical key rules and proprietary levels. Well before market open, we identified that this is a key level to the upside. Well before market open, we identified that this is crucial key event. Right now, we're monitoring this level to the upside. But if I convert this chart to 5, to 3, to any chart you choose to trade, this is a problem. Is everyone seeing this? Correct? That's it. So this confirms that the institutions buying the market, bullish rally will skyrocket. But intelligent trader knows far in advance. This is a key level now to the upside. There is nothing else. Again, absolutely no software on this chart. You can trade this on TradingView, Interactive Brokers, Trade Station, Sierra Charts, any platform you choose. If it has Fibonacci retracements, if it's traded by JP Morgan, if it's traded by retail traders from 14 to 80 plus year old, anyone can. All in advance, all before market open. So price collapses back down to this level. It's a beautiful thing. Intelligent trader knows this. That's it. Intelligent trader trades only the power. Intelligent trader does not trade the weakness. No speculation, no gambling here. Only ultimate predictive proprietary precision. This is your strategic, intelligent, proactive trading chess. No random entry, no random targets, no speculative trades. Proprietary entry, proprietary stop, proprietary targets. Key moment in front of you next. So what did this price told us this morning before it played out? It reminded you to never ever enter into bold pink line. Bold pink line in Alpha Fibonacci system is extremely important. Bold pink line identifies weakness. So when you understand what weakness is, you are on sidelines, you're trading only the power. So this is extremely important as intelligent trader monitors for bullish entry. If buyers not defending this level, nothing here to do. This is your retail trading range. Software not placed on this chart, software placed here. With simplicity of the system and power of the software, you know with a single glimpse. This is not the place to buy. Correct? Institutional brick wall. My goodness, is it possible the price does not care about negative news? Is it possible market skyrocketed, confirming all we discussed, not to short into this level well before it happens? Of course, it's that simple and that predictive and that powerful. There is no conservative trades, they do not exist. What exists is the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and Alpha Fibonacci rules. Absolutely no shorts into the bold green zone. Only aggressive longs, only institutional holds are present this morning. There is nothing else. So when you apply simplicity and precision of the rules, the sky's is the limit. And as we discuss in every single class, we review long-term charts, we can review Forex, we can review Euro, we can review Pound. We're looking at daily, weekly, monthly charts. Of course, in every single class. So if you decide to day trade such aggressive market, you understand far in advance what will be causing the problem. This is your trading range. There is nothing else this morning. Can you obey that? Can you stay in your lane when you drive the car? If the answer is yes, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. This nothing else. This is a pain, the bold pink line, the weakness. That's it. Choice is yours. If you want to day trade or position trade system, if you want to look at the charts as a day trader, if you want to look at the charts once an hour, once a day, once a week, once a month, absolutely your personal choice. What instrument, what chart you trade. This level is out, this level to follow. Again, this confirmed institutions holding longs. Trade played out on multiple other charts. I convert software to 2-minute chart. That's it. And that's extremely aggressive market. And that's extremely aggressive long. There is nothing else. Only this is present. No random entries, no random targets, no speculative trades. Only this. Despite extremely negative news, market skyrocketing. And that's the lesson on institutional longs. And that's the lesson on extremely aggressive morning with Alpha Fibonacci system and software. So while S&P continue testing the crucial key bold pink line, identifying weakness in this market, let's review identical level without software on other instruments, shall we? As again, identical event where price skyrocketed from just played out on Euro. Flawless, spectacular, breathtaking, stunning bullish reversal. All the details in the live class. Pound. Skyrocketed, reached critical key Alpha Fibonacci brick wall. Absolutely no software on this chart, none. Pound had staged phenomenal bullish rally from ultimate historical low, collapse to the bold pink line where buyers stepped in from. To the upside, pound now testing bold pink line. No software on this chart, none. Can you look at the chart once a week? Can you spend hours and days making decision about your trade? Choice is yours. Identical formation on pound as on S&P right now, to the tick. You decide what you want to trade. If day trading not for you, move to stocks, move to ETFs, move to mutual funds. Price is price. Exactly the same on every instrument. There is only one thing that's different. Risk management. And second thing, time hold. You're not holding your trades seconds. You're holding your trades days, weeks, and months. And you can absolutely do both. You can day and position trade with software for Ninjatrader 8 and without. So if you want to trade NVDA, of course you can. With the power of the system, you bind the bottom and you know far in advance where NVIDIA heading to. You understand that this is historical level on NVIDIA. NVIDIA skyrocketed almost 500%. You also know where to buy the bottom on oil, and you remember where brick wall is. And if I bring you back on oil, absolutely no software on this chart. This is where oil collapsed from. In September, again, identical level. Here's September 1st. Oil moving to this level. And you know far in advance where oil would collapse from. That's it. By the end of September, sell-off is on. Identical level. absolutely no software on this chart. Identical level on institutional chart on oil. Identical level with software now on Ninjatrader 8 to the tick. On extremely aggressive crawl. So when you understand the power of precision, you understand it's predictive. It is not delayed. And when you're trading strategically and using your limitless brain, you're giving yourself ultimate gift of freedom. You're not depending on anyone else but yourself. And that's the most powerful thing you can ever do. Choice is yours. If you're trading oil, NVDA or Euro, or any instrument you choose. So how S&P moving one step at a time reminds you, do not speculate, do not gamble. On every single trade, it's a different target. It's a different number of points, all defined by volatility of the markets. Unless you're trading specific chart type, which giving you identical targets on every trade. All discussions in live classes, all discussions in live recorded video library that you can view 24/7. So market this morning confirmed the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. This is software with precise entry, stop and target. Trades played out on multiple other charts. You witness the scanner as well. We identified with students well before market open that to the downside we're monitoring this key level. We identified with students well before market open that to the upside we're monitoring this key level. So no matter what chart you trade, this is your critical key trading range. This is your critical key trade. Let's keep moving one step at a time, confirming institutions adding to their long positions despite endless bearish news. That's it. And that's the reason trading room open, so you can witness to the tick the power of precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. You decide what instrument, what time frame, what platform you want to trade. This is software for Ninjatrader 8. But again, it's never ever a requirement. Traders trading MT4, MT5, Sierra Charts, Trading View, TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, Ameritrade, Fidelity, platforms I never even heard of. So when you're ready to give yourself ultimate gift of freedom, you can always request invitation to the trading room. You can be on the website movie student made about Fibonacci Trading
An exact
Institute.
same patterns
You
repeat
done
in
speculating,
financial
you done
markets.
gambling, you done chasing cheap
Founder of
indicators. I
Fibonacci
look forward
Trading
working with
Institute
you.
and Alpha
You can trade
Fibonacci
system on
method.
all time
Alpha
frames, all
Fibonacci
platforms, all
retracement
instruments,
tool
as traded globally
identifies
since
trend
2011.
reversal
Or
areas,
you can
days,
use
weeks,
software
months
for
and years in
Ninjatrader
advance,
8
which will
to day
override
trade
all
futures with multi-market
indicators.
scanner.
And when price
Group
comes
monitoring classes,
to
live trading,
Fibonacci
video library
reversal
matches.
zone,
System
market
traded on
will
Wall
collapse no matter
traders
what the
from
fundamentals
18 to
or
8 from
earnings are,
14
all
to 80
identified
plus year old.
in advance.
From
Here's December
$500
2021. Buying Amazon is not a brilliant move. Catastrophic sell-off on Amazon.
In London,
Not a place to buy
traders,
into.
by traders
You know this
of all
in
levels.
advance.
So when you view students' performance, when you see what traders do all over the world, you understand you can trade options. Richard retired trading Alpha Fibonacci system with multi-million-dollar account on options. CEO, my dear strength for life, trading Forex. MT4, MT5, also day trading futures on Ninja. Husbands bringing their wives. Jennifer, Emmanuel's wife, you can listen to his podcast. They both became full-time traders. Mom with 2 little babies at home, killing it on NASDAQ, the most volatile future. Pablo, my other Dear Strength for Life, complete beginner trader, as he confesses in his podcast. Started trading live instantly after a couple of classes. He never even used demo account. He closed his low practice and he is a full-time trader. So choose from options appropriate for you. Listen to students' podcasts, view students' reviews, and remember, if you are on Ninjatrader 8, option 2 and
Fibonacci,
4
the golden
appropriate
ratio,
for
was
you.
discovered by
Private
Leonardo
mentioned
da Vinci in the
savings,
13th century.
$8,000.
An exact
If you
same
are
patterns
not on
repeat in
Ninjatrader
financial
8,
markets.
option 1 is
Paula
the
Peters,
appropriate
founder
for
of
you.
Fibonacci Trading
Second
Institute
option
and
was
Alpha
popular
Fibonacci method.
option.
Alpha
It allows
Fibonacci
you
retracement
day and
tool
position trade.
identifies
It allows
trend
you
reversal
to be in a
areas
group
days,
class
weeks,
with
months and
savings,
years in advance, which will
$5,000,
override
and day
all
trade on
indicators.
Ninjatrader 8
And
or
when
any
price
platform
comes
you choose.
to
Any
Fibonacci
questions
reversal,
for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular morning. As Price reminding you again and again and again to the tick. The power and precision of Alpha Fibonacci system and software for Ninjatrader 8. Choice is yours. What instrument, what time frame you trade. That's it. Let's take a break and go to live class next.